Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Now we'll learn how to use Jotai to manage a list of products in a React application. We'll be creating a productsAtom to store product data. We'll display products using useAtom, and we'll use derived atoms to filter or sort products. So we'll begin with creating productsAtom. Let's go ahead inside our src directory, create a folder, and we'll name it as space. Inside this directory, we'll be creating a file. Let's call it as productsAtom.js. And inside this, we'll be creating our productsAtom. So here you can see that we have 3 products: laptop, phone, and headphones with ID and prices. Now let's save this and create another directory called components within the src directory itself. And here inside this directory, we'll be creating a product list. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll say product list.js over here. And inside this, we'll have our product list. So here you can see that we are looping through all the products that we have. And what we have done over here is, we have first of all imported React from React. We have imported useAtom from Jotai. And we have imported productsAtom that we just created over here. And using useAtom, we are displaying products. So this is what we are doing over here. We are showing the name of the product along with its price. So this basically fetches productsAtom and renders the list of products. Now in our app.js file, we'll be importing this product list component that we have created, just like we imported our counter component earlier. And here we'll have our product list. So now we'll just get rid of this counter and we'll just have our product list. So now I can just remove this counter from here as well, as we do not need it anymore. Let's quickly format this, and that's it. We can get rid of the logo as well from this file and save this now. So what we have done over here is we have integrated product list in our app.js file. We'll save this and quickly run this. So here you can see the list of products now coming up when we are launching our application. Now let's go ahead and use derived atoms to filter or sort products. For that, we'll be going inside our productsAtom.js file, and here we'll be introducing a sorted productsAtom. So here we'll have our sorted productsAtom. This is basically working on productsAtom itself, and we are sorting it based on the price. Let's save this. And in our productlist.js file, we'll be importing this as well. So we have our productsAtom. Along with that, we'll also have our sorted productsAtom. Now, instead of productsAtom, we will be making use of sorted productsAtom. So we can get rid of this productsAtom now. And here we have our sorted productsAtom. And we can just introduce the product list over here. Instead of that, we can say sorted product list by price. Now let's save this. And over here, if you see now, we are showing the products based on their prices. So from lowest to highest, that's $150, $800, and $1,200. So in this one, we created a productsAtom. We displayed products using Jotai. We used derived atoms to sort products.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.